Hey, look what I brought home. These are homemade. Let me show you how I got these. Welcome to the channel. No, this is not going to be about how you tie your boots. I'm going to work on those logs that we cut down on the previous video there. So if you haven't watched that, go ahead and check that out. But check this thing out. This is what I have to use to peel the bark off that red pine tree. This is a nice chisel that we use here. And that's what I have to use. Some say use a shovel, whatever. I'm going to try this thing out. If it doesn't work, I think I got a square bladed shovel. But look at this. That's no good. I'm going to jam this thing on there, and if I'm working too hard, that thing's going to fall off. So I'll know to slow down if that falls off a few times. All right, I'm going to use my chainsaw. We'll score a line down the tree to open up that bark a little bit. I've never done this before. That's what I think has to be done. I haven't done any research, but yeah, let's give that a try. Here we go. I think this blade is too thick. I'm hoping it would be easier than that. I'm gonna go get a square shovel if I can find one quick and come back. Let's see how this goes. Suppose I could sharpen this. I'm gonna bring this up to the garage. I'm gonna run my grinder on the edge of this. I'm gonna put a little edge on it, maybe it'll help. Here it is. Cleaned up the edge a little bit. Nothing fancy. Did not do the back edge, just did this leading edge. I thought that would be about the right thing to do. Definitely improved in that I can get underneath the bark a little bit. I don't have a drawbar. Drawbar might be kind of cool to have. It's Wednesday, and I gotta get a couple things done. I'm gonna use my green truck. I call it my urban logging truck. I started doing a little bit of bark removal because I want to get these logs milled up. I'm hoping for some 6x6 beams, some sort. That curved one there is suspect. I don't know what I can get out of that one. But I wasn't sure when Bob, the guy that has the mill, a friend of mine, when he could get them. So I started peeling these a little bit, and I struggled. I didn't have a draw knife or anything like that. So I was talking with him one day, and he said, just bring them over, and 6x6s won't take long. So my goal for today is to use that green truck of mine and haul these over there to him. I will get the excavator fired up and haul it up the hill and load it up onto the truck. this log on the wrong way. Get this off of there, I suppose, because I don't want it to hit that solenoid. I got 4 solenoids in there that run that winch. I suppose I could scoot it up a little bit forward. There we go. If I bump these logs up just a little bit farther forward, it might help a little bit. And maybe I'll put one more up on top then. See how long I dance with this side here, huh? When you need an extra hand, I'll sell you this. This is my third hand. We take Venmo. And when I tighten this up, those rocks will come flying off of there. Glad I checked. Nice and easy. Maybe. There we go. I'll do a quick check. I'll be right back. All right, good to go. Don't forget to swing. Oh, it's hot in this truck. Yeah, I called Bob and he's ready for me. All right, let's go over to Bob's house and take a quick look at his mill. And then we'll try to get a second load.
I'm Bob.
Yeah, Bob's going to cut some logs for us, him and me, so he gets some of this. So you were telling me about the weight.
Yeah, you know, this is like 45, 50 pounds per cubic foot.
Okay.
And, you know, there's quite a few cubic foot in those logs.
Yeah.
So that one, the bigger one, is probably 1,800 pounds.
Yeah.
Somewhere in that neighborhood.
You're talking this one here?
Yep. The smaller one is probably 800. So yeah,
this is the heavy boy right here.
That's the bigger one. Yeah, that might be $2,000. So
when that thing, I loaded that up first, and the truck, whoa.
Yeah.
It's like a 20-inch tree.
So you got 2,000, 1,800. You know, you got over 4,000 pounds. You got the weight of a good-sized vehicle on there.
Yeah. I thought, oh, I'm not going to put any more on there. I can make a second trip with the smaller stuff.
Yep.
See what you think. Yeah, that bed is 17.5 feet.
Yeah, that's probably close to
16's there, so. Well, that worked out pretty good with that urban logging truck, hey, Bob?
That works great.
Show me your Woodlands Mill.
My Woodlands Mill, 126.
126.
Yeah, they're pretty simple.
Yeah.
This one I got during COVID because the price of lumber was so high.
Yeah.
So I decided that I couldn't afford to buy lumber to build the house. It was so expensive.
Yeah.
That I bought a bunch of logs and this mill. And, I mean, it's pretty good. It had some problems right off the bat. They must have used the wrong company for casting wheels.
Yeah.
The bearings didn't fit in them right.
Oh boy.
So they wobbled. And I went through like 20 blades that
no.
first summer. And then they finally admitted that, yeah, that was what was wrong. We used the wrong company. They didn't mill them right. So they sent me new wheels.
Nice.
And then it worked. It's been working really good since.
Good. I'm glad they backed you up there.
Yep. They were real good. Talked to a guy named Gordy, and he was just excellent to talk to.
Good.
It's a Canadian company. They made it so that the average person could buy one.
Nice.
And run it.
But it gets the job done for you.
Job done. Takes a little bit of time, a little bit of muscle.
Yeah.
And using the old cant hook and
Yeah.
rolling things around.
Rolling it around.
Yeah. And what I'll do is when they go like that log, because it's so big, to turn it, I'll set the tractor up over the top of my mill.
Okay.
The bucket.
Yep.
And I put a chain hoist on it.
Okay.
And that's how I turn the log. Otherwise, there's no way you can turn those things.
Yeah.
And like I said, that's probably 2,000 pounds easy.
Is it a centrifugal clutch?
Yep. Motor, a 14 horse motor, tensioner, throttle, make sure you got water for lubricating the blade.
Okay.
And manual start, manual lift up and down, which is kind of a pain when you're getting old. Yeah, so I mean, it's kind of fun to run.
Yeah.
Get it all set up and get it all arranged and start cutting, and you're like, hey, this is pretty fun.
And then you got something, you got something to show for it at the end. You got the product. And
Yeah, you end up with some nice lumber.
Yeah. All right, let's go get another load and we'll drop it back off here.
18.5 is the lowest spot. Probably right here, huh? Nope. Side and put it up against the post. Okay, you gonna do it now? I'm gonna spin it all the way. Oh, flat, right, flat. Yeah, okay. You know what the deal is? You got too much weight that way.
Oh, it's down on this end.
But it should.
If we take the weight off, would it fall in?
It might.
You want to try that?
Yeah, go ahead. Stuck on that point now. Fingers sharp. Yeah, go ahead, keep going. Whoop. Oh. There we go.
this is how you change a blade on the Woodland Mills.
Take the tension off, open it up, and then wear gloves.
How long does that belt last? The rubber belt?
I've changed it once, and I actually had to tighten it the last time I was using it. Got about 200 hours, so probably around 150.
Okay.
Supposedly they built these so you can buy all the parts at a hardware store. So like these bearings, they're just sealed bearings.
Okay.
Supposedly you can buy them at Ace. Belts you can get at Ace. Of course the blades you can get wherever. What is holding that thing?
And you have your choice of tooth, number of
Yep.
teeth, and fine cut, rough cut.
Yep, in hardwood or softwood. Or... Why is that stuck in there? I hate that because then what happens, it springs out at you.
Yep.
Hang on. Oh.
Oh, I got this one.
Right. Right in that block there.
Handle the backside of the blade. There we go. Come on. Get in there. There it is. There we go. Got on top of the wheel. I'll let you take care of the rest.
Okay. Hey there. Hey there.
That side needs to get popped in there. There it goes.
Now, tighten it up. See that wheel, when you loosen it, that wheel kind of goes like this.
Yeah, and you twisted that one there.
Yeah, you gotta kind of start to tighten it before you can really get where you want it.
Get some tension on it, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, of course, it had to happen. My battery ran out and didn't catch the remainder of the cuts on that log.
I think I'll do that right now first. And then, like I said, then we'll flip that right in the middle at 6 and 6, and we'll have to flip both of them up. And then cut it again, and then you got all four.
Yeah, I hear a little. Right? Yeah, a little
Making
grind.
noise. I often wondered about that because you see that big right there is where the clutch is.
Oh,
You're
yeah.
standing there pushing it, and that clutch decides to go in a million pieces.
This is the only thing protecting me
That's the
here.
only thing protecting you.
Yeah.
I thought about I should probably put another shroud in there. Cut around a little round piece.
Yeah, you could do
Put it
that.
right
Yeah.
in there,
Yeah.
or on the inside.
You take that off. Yeah. I could bend up some metal.
Yeah.
Put a flange on it. You can go right into the back side of this.
Right. Yep. Lift it up a little bit more. I got. Good. There we go. Good. Good to go. Center cut.
Oh, we got some beams made, didn't we, Bob?
We did.
Yeah. Hey, that Woodland Mill worked out pretty slick. I'm not saying it's the fanciest mill out there, but it's a mill that works.
It works.
Yeah.
Yep. It does the job.
Yeah. I'm sure you have some things that you'd like to improve on it, but it works pretty nice.
It works. Yep.
Yeah.
I mean, pretty much happy with it.
Look at that.
Yeah.
So he's got some stuff to. You can make some. You're gonna make some treads with that, aren't you, Bob?
Stair treads.
Stair treads.
They're going to be stair treads.
Yeah. Cool.
Dry them out, plane them. Planer's kind of interesting to watch.
The planer would be really cool.
Yeah.
You know. Yeah. We'd start fires with those in shop class when we were in junior high. Don't tell anybody.
Yeah.
You know, too much bite.
Oh yeah. Yeah. That's the problem with planers.
But no, what a great evening. We got a great evening here in northern Minnesota.
Yeah, beautiful.
Not too many bugs.
Not bad at all this year.
Yeah.
It's been
So-
real good.
Well, there's a loon.
Balloon. There she goes.
So yeah, we used the Woodland Mills HM126. This is a 14 horse motor. You said it came with a 5?
Standard is a 9.
9. That's right. You letting me come by your place and getting access to your mill. I appreciate it very much. And we got some nice 6x6s. I'll use them in some projects down the line. Hey, that was pretty cool. Bob's a really nice guy. And I can't say enough good things about Bob and his wife. They are good people, real good. So yeah, we'll head back. Dr. M studio.